Forest class, hello Matthew class, nice to see you for Tuesday's maths lesson. Hope you got on okay with yesterday's maths lesson, thinking about doubles. We're going to go on and think a little bit more about doubles, especially for reception children, early years children, but then we are going to year one children, we're going to go on and be thinking about sort of extending that idea of doubles into making equal groups. We'll come on to that in a bit. But let's start with doing some doubles. So we're going to play a game to start with, and we're going to think about doubles. So I'm going to show you some fingers, and I want you to show me the same amount of fingers. I want you to double the amount of fingers, and then tell me what the double is. So let me give you an example. So if I was to show you one finger, you would double it by showing one finger, and you would say double one is 2. Let me show you another example. If I were to show 2 fingers, I'd want you to double it. So double 2, I've doubled it, and you say double 2 is, okay, let's have a go. Let's start with one. I'm going to show you 5 fingers. Can you double it? So double 5 is, hopefully you've said 10. Let's do another one. 3. Can you double it? Show me. Double 3 is 6. Done one we've already practiced, but let's do it. 2. Can you double it? Double 2 is 4. Okay. 4. Can you double it? Show me 4. Double 4 is 8. Brilliant. Last one. I'm not going to be able to show you this one because I haven't got enough fingers, but I want you to have a go at it. Okay, year ones particularly. 6. Can you show me 6 fingers? Hold up your 6 fingers. Double 6 is 12. Double 6 is 12. Brilliant. Well done. What I want you to do now, don't worry about this top bit for now, we're just looking at the 10 frame at the bottom. I want you to have a go now, just for a minute. I'm going to draw, I want you to draw a 10 frame on your board to start with. So a 10 frame has 10 spaces, 10 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So grab your whiteboard and pen and draw on your board. Don't worry about this sentence for now. Just draw a 10 frame on your board, please. You can pause the video if you need a bit of time to do that. But if you're ready, so I'm going to draw some spots, some dots in the 10 frame, and I want you to draw double the amount of spots. Okay? So if I drew 1, you would double it. If I drew 3, double it. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2. Oh, I've drawn 2. Can you draw double 2, please? So you should have done the 2, and you should have doubled it. Quite a good idea. Sometimes when I'm doubling things, I do them in different colours so that you can really see the double. So there's one set, because remember, double means 2 sets, 2 groups of a number or 2 groups of an amount. So there's my first group, there's my second group. So it's double, double 2. Okay, let's do another one. That's 4. Can you double it? Draw your 4 and then double it. Pause if you need to. Double 4. 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4. I've doubled it. 4 and 4. And in total, I have 8. Last one. I've drawn 5, can you double it? Draw 5 and then double it. you draw another 5. One group of 5, two groups of 5. I've doubled 5. 5 add 5, double 5 is 10. Now, reception children, this is what I'd like you to have a go at doing. On your whiteboard, I would like you to draw me a ladybird. And then it says underneath it, double something is something. Now ladybirds have spots, don't they? And these ladybirds have the same number of spots on each side of their, well, that's like the top of their body, that opens and then their wings come out and fly. So my ladybird has the same spots, number of spots on each side. So at the moment, there's 0. So double 0 is 0, is what it would say at the moment. And then I want you to have a go at putting some dots on this side and the same amount on that side so that you're doubling it and then completing this sentence. You might need a bit of help to do this writing. Your grown-up or sibling or somebody could help you with that writing, and then you can do the dots. So for example, if I had one spot on this side, same on the other, one spot on that side. So double 1 is 2. Double 1 is 2. And then rub them out. And do it again. You could do lots of sentences all you want, or you could rub them out. So I want to see you thinking about doubling the spots on the ladybirds. Okay, great. Well done, reception children. Now year 1, we're going to take that on a little bit. Reception children, you can watch if you want to, but might get a bit tricky for you. So don't panic if you find it too difficult, because this is for the year 1 learners. But you're welcome to listen along, reception children, if you'd like to. Right, year 1 children. So we've thought about doubling, and now we're going to go on and think about making equal groups. Now we know when we double a number, we end up with 2 equal groups. Come back to our 10 frame. I've got double 5, I've got 2 equal groups. Can we remember what that word equal means? Do you know what it means? Equal means the same. So we've got equal numbers of counters. We've got equal numbers of fruit. Means the same. We've got the same amount. So today we're going to think about making equal groups. I've got a picture to show you here. I've got something I can hold over it. Here. I want you to look at these 2 children. They have got plates of cookies, I think they are. Plates of cookies. I want you to look at them and decide if they have equal groups. So they've got 3 groups of cookies, but have they got equal groups of cookies? Are they the same number of cookies on each plate? Are there equal groups of cookies? Look at this one and count how many they've got on each plate, and are they equal? Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Look at this one first. Let me do it. There we go. So look, does she have equal groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, she has equal groups. Each of her plates has the same amount of cookies on it. She has equal groups. Let's look at this one. Has this person got equal groups? Well, let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Well, these two are equal, aren't they? They're the same, but look, this one isn't. This has got 1, 2, 3. This one has not got equal groups because there's different numbers on each plate. They are not equal groups. Okay, I've got a little page now to show you. And I want you to pause on this for a minute. I'm going to hold it up again, but I want to, because what I want you to do, I want you to decide if they are equal groups, and I want you to say how many are in each group. So we'll do the first one together. So let's have a look. There's 3 groups, 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. How many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So yes, they're equal, and there's 3 in each group. So I'm going to hold it on here for a bit, and I want you to say which ones are equal, and if they're equal, how many are in each group, and if they are not equal groups. So pause it for a bit if you want to, and then we'll go through it. So we decided, yes, that could have a tick, couldn't it? A tick next to it. They're equal groups, and each group are 3. There are 3 groups of 3. Here. Okay, so we've got 3 groups again. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, cross. They are not in equal groups. Let's look at the next one. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. Right, this one's got 3 groups. How many in each one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, tick. They are in equal groups. There are 3 groups of 3 objects. Let's look at the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we've got 4 groups. How many in each group? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there are 4 groups. Tick, they're equal. We'll get a tick next to it. They're equal. There are 4 groups of 3 objects. 4 groups of 3 objects. Let's look at the next one. Right, 1, 2, 3 groups. There are 3 groups. How many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are tick. They're equal. They get a tick next to it. There are 3 groups of 5 objects. 3 groups of 5 objects. Great. This sentence is what we were trying to do then. So what I want you, there's 2 things I want you to do today, Year 1 children. I want you to go and create some equal groups. So you could draw it. If you haven't got things around your house, you could draw it. You could draw some just like these here, just like those. You could draw some equal groups, but if you've got things around your house that you could use, that would be brilliant as well. You could use pencils or counters or knives and forks or buttons or whatever you've got around your house to create some equal groups. So if I draw them, so I might decide, right, I'm going to have 4 equal groups. 1, 2, not very well, was it? Do that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 4 groups, and I'm going to put equal amounts in each group. I'm just going to do circles so it's a bit quicker. So I'm going to have 4 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they equal? 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, good. Well done. Equal groups. And now I'm going to finish this sentence. There are 4 groups groups of 4. So that's what I'd like you to go away and do now. You can do as many as you like. It'd be really great to use some objects. I could have used my counters, couldn't I? So I could have done groups of counters. Or I've got like these little little squares, little cubes that I could use to make some equal groups. But if you haven't got anything that you can use, you can just do some drawings. But when you have made your equal groups, I want you to write the sentence. There are however many groups and how many objects in each group. So here I am showing there are 4 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and in each group there are 4 things. There are 4 groups of 4. So that's what I'd like you to go and do now, please. Either writing it down in your book or doing it on the whiteboard, however you like to do it best. So you're going to go and do that now. There's a little extension activity if you get this done and you want to do something extra, so you could pause the video now and go and do that, and then you can come back and I want you, here's a little challenge for you. So let me read it to you. I am making equal groups of 3. Complete my drawing. So I've started to do what I was doing there. I've started to make some equal groups, but I haven't finished. I would like you to finish it for me, please. And this bit's really important. I am making equal groups of 3. Complete my drawing. So you can pause it on this and on your whiteboard or on a piece of paper, one of the books we gave you. I would like you to complete my drawing. You'll have to start from the beginning, won't you? Copy this bit for me and then complete it so that I have equal groups of 3. There is your challenge. Okay, lovely. Thank you, lovely Forest class and lovely Matthew class. Hope you're all keeping well and see you soon. Okay, bye.